Did you build all of this?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Wow. Please give me a run of everything in here. Appreciate it, man. I just wanted you to give me a whole rundown of what all you have in here.
No, you know, right now I got a 500 ABS Pioneer deck. I think it's like 40 speakers in here altogether.
Okay.
Right now, 14 of them ain't hooked up. None of the tweeters are hooked up.
Okay.
I got 4 XTX 10-inch Orion mid-range. I got 8 PRV, the MR250s. I got 2 of the 8-inch MR600. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
PRVs. I'm basically running PRVs and Orion.
Yep.
In the trunk, I got 2 2500x4 Orion XTRs and 2 2500x1 XTRs pushing each 12.
Yeah.
And I got 2 X-Series Sundown.
All right. Oh, they were X-Series. Okay.
Yeah, X-Series 12.
Got it. All right. I think it sounds good, though. And outside, you can hear the music really well, so.
Oh, I forgot about that. I got 2 8-inch PRVs.
Okay.
And 2 PRV, 4 all together on the outside.
Yeah.
Front and back, I got 2 PRV 8s and 2 PRV 250 horns.
Okay.
I got that on both back and front.
Awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate you giving me an intro on what all was in here. What was your name?
Carlos, man.
Carlos. All right, Jacob. Thanks, man. Don't like it. You too. Is the door broke? Bass broke it? Bass broke the door?
Yeah, I didn't have to change a lot of shit.
That's
I
all
had to get the trunk reinforced, all kinds of stuff. That's all right.
Does that happen a lot?
That's the first time. That's the first time I've been playing it so hard, though, since I had the box.
Really? You've been jamming it. I appreciate the demo, man. Uh-oh. Did you build all of this?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Wow. Please give me a run of everything in here.
I'm a career and shit with.
On the right, on the left, I see
Ready to calm down, ready to hunt them down, ready to cut them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swipers ready to hit the stuff. They ready to hit the stuff. They ready to hit the stuff. They ready to hit the stuff. How come it's clean now? How come it hunts it out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gross in my phone, dog. 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 See what hella move, we got hella do. We got hella bands in the hella tune. They can shoot at me and I'ma shoot at you. Got some young niggas that come and get at you. I up in stock, my tennis shoe. That nigga tell my hip coming you. I know I'm got blood and screw too. Jump on the game so I do a few things. Hit the racks, better shoes, big fire racks. I'm still shooting. Y'all size skill with some Louboutin with the red bottom. Let's get the truth. I got plugs and got steady calling my phone. Trying to step with a young nigga home. I can't help it cook. 17 fans, a bitch, 2 10 bands. He a real bread. That being said, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 growers living in the mound. Living in the mound. Ready to chop them down. Ready to chop them down. All the shot, call him, do it out the field. Bitch, want me, she steady jacking, steady calling. I want 10K, I want 10K for a show. Bad seats for a brick, getting ballin' in the snow. All the big ballin', all the shot, call him, do it out the field. Bitch, want me, she steady jacking, steady calling. I want 10K, I want 10K for a show. Better seats for a brick, getting ballin' in the snow. Yeah, I want 10 for a show. You can kill me ballin' in the snow. I want 10 for the verse. I put 10 in her purse. When it's racks on racks on racks, I get get in, I get it first. And I'm smashing right now, Colin. Drop the top off of that boat. Walking up on low so loaded. Nigga playing on that mercy. I used to like her at first. I had to side the bitch. Designer sneakers on my shelf. We done retired and shit. Little niggas just look how we living out, nigga. Them 3 diamond shit. These niggas be rapping, they real, they ain't real, they really be hiding the shit. Little nigga, I came from the restaurant, waitress and stupid on everybody's sofa. And now I flex up on a little bitty bitch and I'm praying the car run over. I'm just big, ballin', shot, callin', do it all. And your bitch want me, and she steady jackin', steady callin'. I want 10K, I want 10K. For a show, that 6 for a brick, get me ballin' in the snow. All that big ballin', shot, callin', do it all. And your bitch want me, and she steady jackin', steady callin'. I want 10K, I want 10K for a show. That 6 for a brick, get me ballin' in the snow. I'm just big mobbing flosses and the hits. Yeah, I'm calling big boss. Yeah, I'm bosses by the bricks. Got me ballin'. I want 10K. Dog said 10K for a show. Water whipping in that bowl. I'm loaded with the blow. Bad bitches snug coat. While I'm pulling up a phone with my bro. On the way to count some racks on racks. Around my side and that's a known fact. Them niggas talking, that's the turn to act. Them young niggas going crazy over the cat. I giving them word and then them niggas blast. Porsche 911 real fast. I caught the coochie rich on my ass. That young nigga with a big bag. That young nigga with a big bag. I'm just big ballin', shot, callin', do it all. And your bitch want me, and she steady jackin', steady callin'. I want 10K, I want 10K for a show. That 6 for a brick, get me ballin' in the snow. I'm just big ballin', shot, callin', do it all. And your bitch want me, and she steady jackin', steady callin'. I want 10K, I want 10K for a show. That 6 for a brick, get me ballin' in the snow. I want 10 for a verse, but I want 20 for a show. 20. Us niggas from the north, we like to rob and shit. Splitting lead points till my whole squad was rich. Never fucking with these flower crews and clips. Hit the toll gates, I gotta unscrew your shit. Got these niggas in these hoes on some group shit. They talk behind your back, but then your face be on your dick. That's why I stay close with my dog. You white collar crime, man, nigga, push it on. I'm quick to step on my nigga and drop a ball on the bitch. I'm driving fat, been in corner, sipping slow on my wheel. I keep my hoes segregated on my Jim Crow shit. And my patience is short, but I keep extending clips.
You ain't fighting, you ain't hard, nigga. You be mine, you be fucking different bras, nigga. You ain't rich, you don't ball, nigga. You ain't tryna take a bitch to the mall, nigga. You ain't shit, you a dog, nigga. You ain't shit but a dog, nigga. You ain't shit, you a dog, nigga. You ain't shit, you just a dog, nigga.
I got a bitch named Luna, she a real dick. You got a nature like a loose, she a deep like a loop. And Luna keep her head by my waist like a pussy. Let her blow me like a hog, let her come her ass in me. Real shit like a red hog when I fuck a bread. Lord, got a cash when I shoot it on a jet. Got her eggs in the sucky, you know she got her heart. She ain't really lovey-dovey, and that's why I chose her. You killing bitches like you Jane, while he boss. Digging, I be in a bitch stomach like a ox. Red got a job like a samurai. Told you more than once that I'm a dog, and they should've kept the killing out.
You ain't fighting, you ain't hard, nigga. You be mine, you be fucking different bars, nigga. You ain't rich, you don't ball, nigga. You ain't tryna take a bitch to the mall, nigga. You ain't shit, you a dog, nigga. You ain't shit but a dog, nigga. You ain't shit, you a dog, nigga. You ain't shit, you just a dog, nigga.
Give a fuck about your bands and your cup for free. I'm just a trick, nigga, that ain't my cup.
On the attack, when you put the MC, you running for the best. I can
never put sweat in my fucking vest. Everything I say, you know it's devil. They put me side deep, and I gotta be every time you see this song.
I'm a white Gucci slip. You take the bit to roof, Chris, I take the bit to Chris. I'm first string, 2-3, I'm in the league. I take her money from her, you take around my side, and that's a known fact. What you niggas talking, that's turn to act. Them young niggas going crazy over the cat. I give them a word and then them niggas blast. Porsche 911 real fast. I caught the coochie right down my head. That's nigga with a big bag. That's nigga with a big bag. I put your big ballin', shot, callin', do it over here, bitch. Want me, and she steady, jacket, steady, callin'. 10K, I want 10K. Push your bad 6-4 brick, keep ballin' in the snow. All the big ballin', shot, callin', do it over here, bitch. Want me, and she steady, jacket, steady, callin'. 10K, I want 10K. Push your bad, white jelly, crime, man, nigga, push it down. I'm a nigga and drop a ball on the beat. I drop a fab in the corner, sippin' slow on my whip. I keep my home segregated on my Jim Crow shit. And my paces is short, but I keep it stinned up here.
You ain't riding, you ain't hard, nigga. You be blind, you be fucking different bars, nigga. You ain't rich, you don't ball, nigga. You ain't tryna take a bitch to the mall, nigga. You ain't shit, you a dog, nigga. You ain't shit but a dog, nigga.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.